Hey there guys, Mark Gray here, international award-winning landscape photographer, coming to you today from my flagship gallery in Mornington, Australia. For those of you that haven't joined me before, this is my YouTube channel, and today I'd like to talk to you about one of the most essential yet affordable pieces of equipment in my kit, the L-bracket. So to begin with guys, you would have seen anyone that's purchased a tripod before that it comes with what's known as a quick release plate or base plate. And this plate is designed to connect your camera to a tripod head. So it connects simply by screwing into the hole on the base of the camera, and it's a universal thread size. Almost all mirrorless and SLR cameras will have the same thread size. And then you can connect the camera, or the plate I should say, to the tripod head as such. That needs to be done up nice and securely at all times to make sure that you're going to avoid all camera shake. So the standard quick release plate is perfectly fine when you're shooting in landscape format. However, when you decide you'd like to shoot a photo in portrait or vertical format, all of a sudden you've moved the center of gravity away from the center of the tripod, introducing potential for some camera shake and soft photos, and you've also lost a little bit of height that you'd normally have if you were still on top of the tripod. So that's where L-brackets come in. So if we remove the quick release plate from the tripod head and then take the plate off the camera, we'll then replace this with an L-bracket instead, okay? And the L-bracket that I'm using today is a Sunway Photo L-bracket, and this one is specifically designed for the Sony a7R IV. So I'd encourage you to look for an L-bracket that is designed specifically for your camera model, because the benefit of that is that you're going to be able to access all of your required ports when you're shooting, and it's going to be designed to the right size, the right shape to match your camera. If you can't find one, that's okay, just get yourself a generic one. But it's certainly better if you can find one that matches your camera. So once that's on, we want to do a standard shot. It's as simple as connecting it again to the tripod head, and then away you go. But this is where the benefit comes in. In the event that you decide that you want to shoot vertical or portrait format, you simply remove the L-bracket from the tripod head, flip it round, and lock it in again. And the benefit of doing that, two main things. First of all, you haven't lost any height on your tripod, and secondly, you've kept the center of gravity directly over the center of the tripod, meaning the tripod is now as stable as it was before, and you're going to avoid any camera shake, particularly if there's any wind around. So that's why I believe the L-bracket is one of the most affordable and essential accessories in my camera kit. So that brings us to the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something, and please be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.